Okay, we've already covered a lot of the basics regarding accounts. Let's test your knowledge based on what we've covered so far. On the page, you see 23 accounts that you might find in many businesses. Pause the video and write the numbers 1 through 23 on a sheet of paper. You don't have to write the account names, just a number. Then I want you to put a DR or a CR next to the number, the corresponding number of the account. The DR or CR indicates if the account normally has a debit or credit balance. Number 4 is cash, which we've already worked with. So you're going to put a DR against line 4. And as another example, since we've already done rent, we know that that would get a DR. You should be able to do this in about 2 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, let's see how you did. Domain name renewal is an expense. So if you put DR, you are correct. Advertising, also an expense. DR. Notes payable. You should know this because we've done it before. It's a CR because it's a liability. Accounts receivable would get a DR because it's an asset. Investments would get a DR because they're assets. Equipment, DR because they're assets. What about company autos? That's also a DR. Land, building are all assets and they would have a debit balance. Insurance is an expense, so it gets a debit balance. What about gas, electric, telephone? All DRs. What about supplies? Payroll, inventory. What about taxes? What about accounts payable? Wages payable. Revenues. Broadband fees. Okay, let's see how you did. If you got them all right, applaud yourself. If not, go back and take a look at the earlier videos.